glue gels at the same time. I'm gonna get the new one because look at that. It looks like under the sea though. Sorry. So getting a small amount, don't want it using too much and too little. Too much is going to flutter your crystal. Too little is not going to adhere your crystal properly. Okay, so spread the condensed glue gels evenly on the nails. If you know exactly where you are going to do your crystal placement, you can place it right there. However, sometimes your clients will change their mind. Oh, can I add this one on? Can I have this one? Sure. So I always getting completely cover the nail, so then that way just in case they always want to add something on, I will never say no. I will say yes, because when you're adding is more techniques on it, absolutely you can increase your ticket, make your clients happier, and you are going to be happier. All right, so condensed glue gels and floating the, you know what, top coat on the top of uncured condensed glue gels. Okay, so now we are going to moving on with this beauty centerpiece. It's quite heavy. So beautiful. So now I'm going to use this beauty here and I'm going to add them on like smaller size. One, two. I'm going to do 1 and 2. And add it on. One more. I would say this is like SS 6. Add some beads on. On the way, add the beads on between the crystals and between the frame and frame, between the crystal and crystal. And more beads in. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see everyone today. You don't know how much I'm excited about. All right, so you can stop these designs at any time, which is so beautiful already. That's it, looks so beautiful. And then you can add more. Hold on, let me add one more. Oh, where's my frame though? I thought I have it here, right here. Thank you. One more right there. I'm so obsessed with this like gloves crystal. Just remind me so much of that glass museum. All right, I'm gonna tuck in more beads to make it looks really cool and finished looks. However, this is optional. If your clients don't want to add any, absolutely, you don't have to. All right. 1, 2. I usually finish the design with the like have a triangle beads. As I say, you can stop at any time. Just add a couple more here, couple more there. And one more on the end. All right. Happy with this? We are going to cure under the LED lights for 60 seconds, and this is the best time for you to adjust this beauty. If you want to tuck it in more, move it left to right or wherever you want. It's not going to cure yet until we are going to cure under LED lights. So I'm going to put the last beads in here, and then we are going to be finished with the design. All right.
So for your dark beauty, what Nancy is using is a crystal picker. We got a wax tip to pick up everything else you want, and you have the, what's the other side?
The dot tool.
Dot tool, yes, to move everything around.
Yep, you don't want it using a wax on the other end because you don't want to pick up the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat and put it back into your crystal. So you want to use this and to adjusting, and use this to pick the crystal. Use this one to do any other nail art or adjusting your crystal the way you wanted it. So I feel like just a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Here for 60 seconds. This is cute, huh?